Hi! In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to open Recorder app. It should be in Tools folder. Now tap on this gear icon at the top right corner of it and manage all of those options however you wish though, like format. When you finished, click on the back button and tap on this red one to start your recording. Then select while using the app in the pop-up. As you can see, recording is on. You can pause it or unpause it using this left button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the right one. In order to end it and save it though, tap on the same red one again. As you can see, my recording is over here. You can play it by tapping on it. If you wish to rename it, hold it, choose rename at the top, and type in wherever you wish to. Then click on OK to save your name. You can also delete it by holding it, but this time selecting delete option and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!